Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to be besties on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the bottom right corner, you have the spotlights where you can check out all of these spotlights. And we have the stories, friends, and everything here. Also, we have the camera where you can go and take some snaps. And in the bottom left corner, we have our location and your chats. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and be besties on Snapchat. Well, to become besties on Snapchat, you'll need to interact with your friends more than with anyone else. Here are some steps you can help achieve that. Add your friend. Make sure you have added each other on Snapchat. You can do this by searching their username and sending a friend request. Send snaps frequently. Exchange snaps with your friend regularly. The more you snap each other, the higher the chances of becoming besties are. Chat often. Use the chat feature to communicate frequently. This helps increase your interaction score. Avoid snapping others. Focus your chats on the friend you want to become besties with. This will help you climb up their best friends list faster. And that's basically, guys, some of the tips what you can actually do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.